Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out.
Hello guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an intense all-day clean with me. I spent from 9:30 in the morning to around 5 p.m. cleaning our home, which was really important because we were really close to going on a trip, and I just wanted to make sure that our entire home was nice and clean before we left. But I'm going to start out by getting the laundry in the washer, and then I'll move on into the kitchen. But if you're excited to get some motivation from today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more upcoming videos. But as I said earlier, I'm now going to be moving into our kitchen because I started out this crock pot meal, so our countertops were pretty cluttered. So I'm just going to start out this cleaning day by giving our kitchen a good and thorough cleaning.
I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is awesome to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me, I fade out. It's all so new to me, I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me, I fade out. It's all so new to me, I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me.
I kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it?
As I showed you guys earlier, I'm using the Wayman stainless steel cleaner to clean our stainless steel, of course, and I featured this product in a video about 2 weeks ago, and I really love it, and I would definitely recommend cleaning your stainless steel, even if it doesn't look dirty, because I was able to collect all this dirt and grime, even though our stainless steel really didn't look that bad. But now that our kitchen was all nice and clean, I'm going to move into our laundry closet to move all of the clean laundry into the dryer before moving into my bedroom to make my bed and just do some general cleaning.
Don't you get it? No. I grew up and I'm bitter. A 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead.
Once I was done with my bedroom, I decided to move on into my bathroom just to kind of wipe down all the surfaces and just give my bathroom once again a very thorough cleaning.
I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback. Floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback. Floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good in the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
Because I already had the vacuum out, I decided to do a bunch more vacuuming, so on our sofa as well as our carpet in our living room, and then you will later see in our kitchen.
Tomboy t-shirts.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed. Blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
because I still had the glass cleaner out from earlier from wiping off our kitchen windows, I decided to go around the rest of our home and wipe off other glass surfaces such as these large windows in our living room, as well as mirrors later on that you will see.
Cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
If there is one thing that you take from this video, it would be to go around your home with a glass cleaner and a cleaning cloth and just wipe off all your windows and glass surfaces, because look how dirty that was. And it didn't, like, I was seriously just cleaning these windows for the sake of this video. But now the last chore I was going to do today was to fold up all the laundry that we did earlier. So I'm going to get this out of the dryer and in just a moment, fold all of it.
Something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed.
Alright guys, well that is almost it for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy and got a lot of motivation from it. This definitely was a very long day, but it was very satisfying when I was all done. So please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and got a lot of motivation possibly. And if you would like, please hit that red subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you do not miss out on more upcoming content from me. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.
Gonna let the sun shine in today.